All right, who do we have here today?
Ethan Davis.
And
Sadie Davis.
what are we doing today, guys?
We're going skydiving.
Jumping out of planes with strangers, huh?
Yeah.
You trust me to throw you out?
As much as I can.
You are nuts. You trust this guy to throw you out?
Oh yeah.
You're crazy too. Any last words, final comments, confessions?
No, let's do this.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it.
Perfect.
Let's
I
go
like
have some fun. Here we go. Oh yeah.
All right.
Alright, you guys, here we go. You ready for this? Still not a copy yet. We'll get an air bath and you'll be like, woo! Control surface. Want to do another one?
Sure.
Pull the left one down. All right, we made it back. What do you think?
That was pretty incredible.
Yeah? 30 years later, you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
Yeah? Well, next time I'll let you open the parachute. High five. Good job. Thanks for coming out to see us, Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo! Woo!